Hey, this is Jordan Shaw with Funnelbolt. Today we are going to be working in the landing page builder. So when you log in to your dashboard, you just click the landing page builder here, and it will take you to your projects tab, and you click create project and just type in your project here. I have a demo here, so I'm just going to click edit here. And it will bring me to this page where you can select a template or you can start with sections. So for now, we will click choose a template, and we'll go through here, and whatever you think looks good, just go ahead and pick that. If you want to preview one, just click the icon here, and that'll kind of give you a preview of what this website looks like. So we'll go ahead and choose that one, and that'll populate the editor with that page. So with the editor, this is very easy to manipulate if you need to change anything. It's pretty much like a word processor. Just click and edit. For the images, just roll over them and right click, and you will see where you can change the image. So for right now, if you are going to upload an image, which I'm assuming we all are going to do that, the images need to be under 4 megabytes. So you can change the sizing of that in a program outside of this. As of right now, we're not doing that. We will in the future, but for right now, we just need to make sure that that image is under 4 meg, and you can upload it right here. And for these, just click, and you will have everything available here in the menu. So if we want to change this, we'll just click here, and we'll call this page 1, and leave it at that. So now that is page 1, apply, and here we go. So if we want this to link to another page, we can send it to either a specific URL, or we can send it to a page, a section within this landing page, or we can tell it to create a pop-up. So to send it to another page, obviously you have to have another page, and we don't have anything available. So we would run over here, manage pages, and add new page. Here's our new page. So we'll call that page 2, just for demo. So if we go back here, it probably won't be here for now. So hit apply and save. Come back, and let's send it to page 2. So now when we have this set, it will go to page 2. As far as buttons go, buttons are pretty much the same thing. We're going to edit this link, right click, send it to the same page. We can send this to page 2 as soon as you hit this button, apply, and there you go. If we want to pull in different sections, we can do that here. Actually, let's pull in a title, another title. So we'll pull in a title here, and let's get rid of this title. And there you go. So as far as forms are concerned, if we want to pull in a form, Just pull that right in here. And let's get rid of that. Okay, so the form settings are right here. You'll see this little icon shows up with your form. Just click on that. And so if we want to get rid of any of these, we can do that. Just hit the trash can and it'll get rid. So let's get rid of this message. And throw in, I don't know, now let's throw it in again. So if we want to edit this, okay, and that's saved. If we want to make these required, let's make all these required. And we want to send this into some sort of sequence. So anytime somebody enters their information, we want to send them into a campaign, an auto response that's already built. So it's going to start the campaign, and we want to tell it what campaign. So let's just call it follow-up 1. So anytime information gets entered into this form, it is going to initiate follow-up 1 in the campaign. So that's going to be what we build over here. So here's follow-up 1. And we want to change this form, or change the text. That's done. And if we want to change these icons, just right click, change the icon. Pretty simple. And it is about as easy as that. Everything is very simple. If we want to send this button somewhere, we're going to edit the link, and we want to send them. So if they purchase this plan, we want to send them to whatever page. We can do that. For the pop-ups, so if we want this button to start a pop-up or open a pop-up, obviously we don't have a pop-up available. So we're going to go here, and let's say we want the subscription form, so we're going to add that. Go back here. Here's the settings for that pop-up. Here we go. And here again, this is just like editing the form that we did before. We want a first name. Here, full name is fine. And we want to make that a required field. So here is your pop-up. Apply that, and let's say we want another confirmation pop-up. So that is pop-up number 2. Okay, so for instance, if we want to have this button open up pop-up 1, it'll do that. So let's save the project and preview. This should open up pop-up 1. Here's pop-up 1. Okay, so we know that works. So let's go to pop-up 1 settings, and where are we at here? Sorry. On submit, our confirmation pop-up is right here. So on submit, we're gonna have that open up confirmation 2, so that I know that it was submitted. And if we want to assign a tag to that, we can do that. And we want to send them to whatever URL. So as soon as this gets submitted, we can send to our desired URL. It'll open up confirmation 2, and we can have it start follow-up 1. So that's all done right here. So let's again save this and see if that works. Preview. Okay, thank you very much. And it's not going to send me anywhere because I don't have a URL in the redirect. So that's about as easy as that gets. This can be changed. I believe it is in the, I'm on the wrong thing here. So here is all of your drop downs for this drop down, contact, all that can be edited here. Let's see if there's anything else that we can cover. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or anything like that, just let me know. Thanks.